Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to remember the life of my college microwave, who sadly died yesterday, Friday, April 12th, 2023. Its life was short-lived, and it will forever be in my greatest debt, or something like that this was my college microwave. And before that, it was owned by my brother Ben at his Wellsville apartment. And now we remember it by the 21 Nerf gun salute.
Ready, aim, fire. Ready, aim, fire. Ready, aim, fire. Da da da. 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 Da da da.
Goodbye, college microwave. You will forever be remembered. The one with the melted door, the one with the microwave plate, and the gas station pizza heater from my brother's apartment.